see what's out back.
Yeah, okay. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah. Rainy day. Whoa.
It's kind of raining out here, isn't it? Yeah. Rainy
Day.
Rainy day.
Don't be gay.
Don't be gay.
It's a rainy day.
Rainy day.
Don't be gay.
Don't be gay.
It's Halloween in the season.
For the reason. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
What a beautiful rainy day.
It really is. It really is. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's very beautiful.
You're right, it is. It's a calm, peaceful day.
It is. It is calm and peaceful. It's a very calm and peaceful day. We can just walk around, see what we can find.
Yeah. Do that. We can do that.
Anyway, there's a ball over there.
What would you do with a ball?
Play with it. You can play with it. You can hang out. Stuff, I'll throw it for you.
No. No.
It's a ball. It's a ball. It's a ball right there. You play with it. Play with the ball. You know what I mean? Come on, you want to play with the ball?
No, I do not. I want to play with the ball.
It's a nice ball.
No. Rainy day. Rainy day.
Tommy.
Shit. Fucking